Hello everyone, welcome to
वेरी गुड जितना
Physiotantra.
अपने आप से
In this
आराम से
video,
मोड़
we
पाते
are
हो मोड़ो।
demonstrating a post-TKR rehabilitation program designed to restore knee
ठीक है।
movement, strength, balance, and functional independence.
फिर से मोड़ो।
Phase 1, which is range of motion. In this, we will do heel slide exercise to achieve knee bending, which generally improves knee bending and reduces stiffness after surgery. In this patient, there is also extension leg present. The patient gently slides the heel towards the body and returns slowly. All movement should be slow, controlled, and pain-free.
स्ट्रेट करो। क्या काम हुआ? नहीं, वो उतना ही था, ये चीज़ मुझे चेक करना था एक बार और।
Second phase, which is strengthening phase, in this we will do quadriceps strengthening exercises, which is straight leg raise. The leg is kept straight, lifted slowly, and held for a few seconds, which is generally 10 to 15 seconds, and then relaxed. This exercise helps improve walking ability and knee control.
Down.
We will do 10 to 15 repetitions according to the patient condition. Afterwards, we will do weight bearing exercises with the help of weight cups to increase the strength. In this video right now, the patient is doing abduction exercises, which she is holding for 10 to 15 seconds and then repetitions for 10.
Down. एक बार और।
Right now, patient is doing cycling to improve her knee range of motion
Relax.
and to gain control ability,
राइट उससे करो अब लेफ्ट से।
which generally helps her to regain her balance and weight bearing,
कंट्रोल के साथ।
which
मोड़ो,
improves
हाँ, गुड,
confidence
उठाओ, बाहर
for
लाओ,
her daily
लाओ,
life
लाओ,
activities.
सीधा करो, वेरी गुड। मोड़ो, मोड़ो अब यहाँ से, मोड़ो, हाँ हाँ, पीछे लेके आओ, गुड। यहाँ से सीधा कर लो, हाँ।
Slowly, we will increase the weights according to
यहीं
the
पे सीधा
patient
कर लो, इतना ऊपर
condition,
मत लेके जाओ, हाँ।
and it should
ऐसे।
be pain free.
डाउन।
Now we will go for VMO strengthening exercises.
डाउन।
This patient is also present with extension leg. We need to train and strengthen the VMO for balance and coordination.
डाउन। अगेन। डाउन। अगेन।
Each exercises should be repeated 10 times with the hold of 10 to 15 seconds. With the help of roller, patient is also holding the roller, which improves her adductors strength.
Relax.
Now we will go for hamstring strengthening with the Swiss ball.
Relax.
Commonly include in mid to late phase post TKR rehab. It improves muscle strength, joint support, and movement control. The exercises should be performed smoothly without any jerky movement.
Again. Relax. राइट वाले पैर को थोड़ा सा डाउन करो।
This is generally a advanced stability and functional
थोड़ा सा दूर
training,
करो एक दूसरे से दोनों को, बस।
which usually focus on coordination and functional control. This will prepare the patient for activities such as walking longer distances, climbing stairs, and daily functional tasks.
हाँ, पूरा नी को।
If there is any increase in pain or swelling, that it indicates to need to stop and reassess the patient
पुश करो
and reassess your
वापस लेके आओ
protocol.
अपनी तरफ, पुल करो, शाबाश। हाँ, लेके जाओ, नी को अच्छे से मूव करो, वेरी गुड। हाँ, लाओ लाओ, पुल करो अच्छे से, वेरी गुड गुड।
There's
पुश
generally
करो
different type of
ऐसे,
exercises with the
शाबाश।
Swiss ball, which we can do.
रिलैक्स,
And generally, it's a playful activities which patient can
Relax.
normally perform
Again.
and will not cause any extreme pain or discomfort to the patient.
रिलैक्स, अगेन रिलैक्स, अगेन रिलैक्स, अगेन रिलैक्स, अगेन उठाओ ऊपर।
These are side SLR, usually for the
Down.
strengthening of abductors,
अगेन
which
थोड़ा सा और
generally
आगे की तरफ
helps
लेके जाओ पैर
during
को,
walking
बस।
and reduces the
डाउन,
weakening of
Again.
abductors muscles, and also
Down.
reduces the chances of
Again.
duck walk.
उठाओ उठाओ,
This is a TFL strengthening exercise.
एक और, अब इधर की तरफ टर्न कर जाओ।
We are doing each exercises for 10 repetitions and with 10 to 15 seconds hold.
वेरी गुड, अब आ जाओ। सीधा करो अभी से, उठाओ ऊपर। वेरी गुड,
Now it's
अगेन
prone knee bending
वेरी गुड, अगेन
to improve the
Good.
bending
अगेन
and range of motion of knee in prone
वेरी गुड, अगेन
position also.
गुड, अगेन
We will hold the ball for
Good.
10 to 15
Again.
seconds, or you can do more to 20 to 30 seconds also
वेरी गुड, अगेन
if there is no pain to the patient. Next is prone SLR
Down.
for strengthening of glutes and back
Again.
muscles.
डाउन, अगेन डाउन, अगेन
It usually helps the patient for prolonged standing.
डाउन, अगेन डाउन,
Now the iliopsoas activation
अगेन
with involvement of adductors also. With the help of roller, we are activating the adductors muscles also and stimulating the iliopsoas muscle.
डाउन, अगेन रिलैक्स, अगेन
This again we will do the knee bending exercises to improve the range of motion.
अगेन